Do you know this is a part of your safety? So there's a flex pipe underneath on the exhaust. It comes under safety once you got sell or bought the car. So any of the noise coming from the muffler is a part of safety. And this we got today, 2012 Chevy Malibu. It come up with this loud noise on the back when we check. It's a flex pipe. And also for passing the safety, this car need a front control arm. So we already take apart this side. Also it needs the front rotors in the pad, and the rear ones are fine for getting past from the safety. So if you have an older car, that doesn't mean it's not going to pass the safety. As you can see, this is the older brakes and they are passing the safety point. They are at least like 4 mm. So they clearly pass the safety, and it's a mint condition car with everything work on it, no dash lights. So if you have any mint condition car and you just want to check it up if it passed the safety or not, you feel free to give us a call at 647-708-1300, or you can just come to our shop at 241 Horton Street. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much.